Hey everyone, Max here with Tripak. Today we're going to be talking 5-in-1 diesel conditioner and what this product can do for lubrication in your engine. We're going to be putting it up against one of the leading fuel lubricators on the market, and we're going to be running it on the machine in a full bath. So we've got it poured out, each one here already, and we're going to start with this one first. So let's get started. Make a mess here, but we got that in the diesel. Now we're gonna run this and add weights to it until it stalls out. So that's 0 weights. That's 1, 2, and 3. Now that's 3 weights. That's how much that fuel conditioner can handle. So we're gonna drop this one off. Put that back over there. And I'm just gonna clean this up quick here. Grab some paper towel. Clean this up. Get rid of the metal shavings that are on the bearing now. And show you what the 5-in-1 diesel conditioner can do. Got that cleaned up. There's a little bit on there still, but that's okay. Put this back on there. Now we're gonna take the 5-in-1, throw that on there. Get it all flanged up. And we're gonna see how far we can go with this one. So, fire it up. Yeah, you can still hear some of the metal filings, but that's okay. I'll show you how good the 5-in-1 is. Get it on there. That's 1, 2. Now we're up to 3. Now that's where that one stalled out. Now this is already going further than oil does on its own. So this is going through your injectors and it's really treating them. All right, we're up to 7 weights and that's 8. So as you can see, it didn't stall out. It's putting that extreme pressure barrier on all the metal surfaces. All right, so that's that. All right, so that shows you the benefits of running the 5-in-1 diesel conditioner for lubrication. Beyond that, it's also a cetane booster, so it increases your fuel mileage. It cleans as you drive and removes all the corrosion and buildup, prevents rust, and then it's an anti-gel, so you can run it all year long, especially during those winter months. So it comes in 3 sizes. We got the little guys, the medium guys, and then the big ones for your trucks and equipment. For more videos and demos like this, click the link below in the description, and we'll see you in the next one. And remember, if it moves, Tripak.